Hi everybody. So I'm going to show you right now how to log on to Epic, which we're going to start using next week. So all of the parents are receiving an email to set up an account for your child. It's going to ask you a couple questions about them. You can click off some of their interests like dinosaurs or pets or plants. And then once you've set up their account, log out of it. Once you've logged out of it, you're going to be brought back to the Epic homepage. So here's the Epic homepage, getepic.com. And from here, you're going to go back to log in. So you're going to click on students and educators. So right now, I've set up a fake student in our classroom so we can do this. I'm going to email you the class code, but you can see right here, it's WWT8454. So you're going to press go as the student. And from here, it's going to bring you to all of the children's profiles. So the kids are used to doing this on the iPads with some of the other programs, but you just have to make sure that they go and click on their name. So right now I am pretending to be Jackson K. So I'll click right here on Jackson. Now you can see it says your teacher sent you a book. So I've sent Jackson a book on race cards. I'm going to exit that right now so you can take a peek at his profile. So there was a notification in the mailbox that these books were sent. I did a little fooling around in here. So Splat the Cat is actually your assignment for Monday. But just so you know what I see on my end, I pretended that I was a student who just clicked through the whole book to get to the end and not actually listen to the story. And it does show me how long the kids see the book. So there's some little memos here. Click the play button to start the read to me experience. Make sure your volume is on. Not only does your computer volume need to be on, but also this volume does. I was very confused for a couple of minutes because my volume was all the way up on the laptop, but it was muted here. So that's something to check out. And then the story, if I press play,
Harper Children's Audio presents Splat the Cat.
It will read with this
Rob
highlight
Scott.
here.
Performed by Dan Bittner.
And it will turn the pages automatically, or you can click.
It was early in the morning
and you can pause. What's really nice at the end that I think is cool is that this book has, as I click through, a quiz. So after they read, they can do a quiz, and the quiz reads to them, so they'll see that as well. So let's get out of there. So in your mailbox is where the students are going to see assignments as I start posting them. Some of them will be read to me assignments, and other ones will be books that are on their personal reading level that they will be reading. Some of them have quizzes, some of them don't. But more will come about what those assignments will look like. But outside of that, the kids can completely explore this website. There are, I think, thousands of books on here. They have top picks, they have read to me. So the read to me ones are the ones that have audio. They don't all have audio. And then like in the for you category, it has releases. If you go over to my library, I don't have any favorites yet. Let's see if I have any recents. Oh, Splat the Cat, that's it. But it's a lot of fun. So I think the kids will enjoy using this website. It's a way for us to give you guys texts that are on their correct level to keep them reading, while also offering some other high interest things. So hopefully everyone is able to get on this weekend. The assignment for Monday won't post on Google Classroom, like the worksheet that follows up. But if you want to get ahead and read the book already, go for it. Let me know if you have any questions. And thank you. Bye.